Today, we are going to learn numbers in a way that doesn't feel like counting. We're going to use numbers to talk about real life, your family, your friends, and your money. And we'll keep it very simple, using one powerful word you already know: have. Listen first, I'll say the line, and then you repeat. 你有几个弟弟？你有几个弟弟？ How many younger brothers do you have? 几个 how many? 你有 you have 几个 how many? 弟弟 younger brother. 你有几个弟弟？我有三个弟弟。我有三个弟弟。I have three younger brothers. 我有三个弟弟。你有几个朋友？ How many friends do you have? 你有几个朋友？ So 朋友 is friends. 朋友。你有几个朋友？ How many friends do you have? 我有七八个朋友。我有七八个朋友。七八 means 7, 8. I have about 7 or 8 friends. That's what it means. That about feeling is very Chinese. 七八个 7 or 8. 一两个 1 or 2. 三四个 3 or 4. So that's very natural. In real life, we often don't give an exact number. Here are 3 super common approximate numbers. Copy the rhythm. 我有一两个朋友。I have 1 or 2 friends. 我有五六个朋友。5 or 6 friends. 五六 So say that in pairs. 一两五六一两五六 So you can learn numbers with tone pairs. 我有七八个朋友。我有七八 Slowly first and then faster. 七八个朋友。You will have noticed when you say two with people or things, spoken Chinese usually prefer 两个朋友，两个弟弟。我有两个朋友。我有两个弟弟。Good. Now let's widen it to the whole family. Same structure. 我家 my family. 我家有10个人。My family has 10 people. It's a big family. 我家有10个人。Now I'll add family members slowly, like a little family photo. 我爸爸，我妈妈，我最大。I'm the eldest. 我最大，大 is big. I'm the biggest. I'm the oldest. I'm the eldest. 我最大。我有三个弟弟。我有三个弟弟。I've got 3 little brothers. 四个妹妹。四个妹妹。4 little sister. Smaller, younger sister. 我有爸爸。我有妈妈。我最大。我有三个弟弟。四个妹妹。我家有10个人。So I've got father, mother, I'm the eldest, I've got 3 younger brothers, 4 younger sisters. So altogether, in my family, there are 10 people. 10个人. So great. Numbers are doing something useful. Now let's bring in a second everyday topic, money. We haven't used this word before, so it's so common that it belongs in a numbers lesson. First, the simplest yes no question. 你有钱吗?你有钱吗? You have money? No. You have money or not? Do you have money? 你有钱吗?你有钱 means you have money. And I say to add the article 吗 at the end, changing the sentence into a question. 你有钱吗? Do you have any money? 我有钱. I have money. 我有钱. Or 我没有钱。没有 I don't have money. 我有我没有 Now numbers make this even more real. 你有多少钱？多少 How much money do you have? 多少 is how much. 你有多少钱 How much money do you have? 我有10块钱 I have 10. 10 is 10. 我有10块钱块 is the word you use to count money. 一块2块3块4块5块6块7块8块9块10块我有10块钱 I've got $10. Now let's keep numbers connected to life, not to a textbook. We'll do one tiny time contrast using days of the week, just to keep it human. 我喜欢星期六。喜欢星期六。我喜欢星期六。I like Saturdays. 我喜欢喜欢 is like. 星期六 that's Saturday. 六 is 6, the 6th day of the week. Why? 星期六我不工作，我休息。星期六我不工作，我休息。On Saturday, I don't work, I rest. So that's why I like Saturday. 我喜欢星期六。星期一我工作，我工作。星期一我工作。On Mondays, I work. Good. Now we finish with pure number drills, but in groups, so it feels like rhythm practice, not math. First, we'll do it in pairs, then, secondly, we'll do it in trees. Listen, then repeat. 一二一二 1 2 一二一二 Say it faster when you are more practiced with it. 一二一二一二 So you listen to the tone as well. It's 1 4. 三四三四 So it's 三四三四 It's 1 4 as well. So 一二三四 That's a nice pair. 一二三四 Next, we change the tone pairs. 五六五六 I said the third tone is low and steady. The fourth tone is high and falling. So 五六五六 And then the next one is easy. It's 1 1. So it's 7 8 七八七八七八 So 五六七八 And then we go back to another pair. 九十 9 10 九十 Then we'll practice the same idea as short number chunks. Listen and repeat. 一二三，一二三，一二三. So you learn to practice your muscles, your tongues, and practice it quickly. 一二三, 1, 2, 3. 四五六, 4, 5, 6. 四五六，四五六，四五六，四五六. Keep saying until you can spell it out quickly. And 七八九，七八九，七八九，七八九， 7, 8, 9. And the last one, just the one number, 10. 十，十. Take your time for this one. It's just the one number. So let's close it by bringing back to real life again with one last quick mini dialogue. 你有几个朋友？你有几个朋友？我有五六个朋友。我有五六个朋友。你有钱吗？你有钱吗？我没有钱。我没有钱。And that's it. Numbers are not a separate topic. Numbers are a way to talk about life. See you in the next lesson.